Gold is more than just a metal in India. It is a symbol of wealth, security, and tradition. Families gift gold during weddings and festivals. People buy gold jewelry for special occasions. They also buy gold coins and bars as investments. For generations, Indians have seen gold as a safe haven for their savings. When other investments are uncertain, gold feels reliable. It is a tangible asset, something you can hold in your hand. This emotional connection makes gold very important in Indian culture. The price of gold has been increasing steadily in India for many years. Let's look at how much it has changed since 2019. In 2019, the price of 10 grams of gold was around 39,108 rupees. In 2020, the price jumped to 50,151 rupees, partly due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2021, it corrected slightly to 48,099 rupees. In 2022, the price continued to climb, reaching 55,017 rupees. In 2023, it went up further to 63,203 rupees. In 2024, we saw a significant jump to 78,245 rupees. And now, in April 2025, the price has hit a record high of 93,100 rupees for 10 grams. As you can see, the price of gold has more than doubled in the last 5 years. This trend has been driven by various factors, both globally and within India. Several reasons explain the current high price of gold. Globally, there are geopolitical tensions, like the war in Ukraine. Economic uncertainty and inflation also play a role. When the world feels unstable, people turn to gold for safety. Within India, the falling value of the rupee against the US dollar makes gold more expensive to import. Additionally, there is strong demand during the festive and wedding season. Many people are also buying gold as an investment, hoping its price will continue to rise. The question of whether to buy gold in April 2025 is tricky. On the one hand, gold is a good hedge against inflation and uncertainty. It can be a valuable part of a long-term investment portfolio. However, buying gold at a record high price is risky. Experts believe there might be a price correction soon. This means the price could drop before it goes up again. If you must buy gold now for a specific reason, like a wedding, buy only what you need. For investment purposes, it might be wise to wait for a slight dip in the price. You could also consider investing in gold gradually through a systematic investment plan, or SIP. This way, you can average out the purchase price over time. In conclusion, while gold remains a safe haven, buying at an all-time high requires careful consideration. Waiting for a price correction or using a staggered investment approach might be more prudent strategies in the current market.